Philippine Information Agency, Kapihan na Zamboanga. Sharing with you timely, accurate, and relevant information regarding government programs, projects, and activities. Catch us every Thursday at 4 p.m. on eMedia.
Buenos dias, Zamboanga. Welcome sa PIA Kapihan na Zamboanga sa SM City Minpro. Hatid sa inyo ng Philippine Information Agency, Mindanao Communicators Network, SM City Minpro, MCTV, and eMedia. Mapapanood niyo po ang ating programa via PIA Western Mindanao Facebook page and other government agencies' Facebook pages. Also, PRO9, The Northern News Flash, 1TV Philippines, and Isa TV Channel 17, PCH Cable TV, and of course via cable televisions in Zamboanga City via MCTV and eMedia. Ang Kapihan na Zamboanga pong muli will discuss important topics that will help you make more informed decisions wherever you are. Ngayon sa ating episode, pag-uusapan po natin ang mga programa po para sa ating Muslim community po or Filipino Muslim community natin. Hindi lamang po sa buong Pilipinas, more particularly po dito sa Zamboanga Peninsula. And it's my first time po to have with us po sa ating programa. Makakasama po natin ang mismong Regional Director po ng National Commission on Muslim Filipinos here in Region 9 or Zamboanga Peninsula. Let's welcome Dr. Zulfiqar Abantas. Welcome po, Director, sa ating programa. Magandang araw po.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning po sa PIA, Western Mindanao, this region, Zamboanga Peninsula. Thank you. Thank you.
We are very happy po to have you with us sa ating program. And of course, inaabangan din natin kung ano yung mga pwede nating maibigay na important information to all our communities po, specifically ating mga Muslim communities here in Zamboanga Peninsula. So first of all po, can you share with us naman yung ating mga accomplishment po for the past year, yung 2022 up to now from the recent po administration of the NCMF in Region 9?
Yeah, thank you very much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Again, our huge appreciation to the Regional Director of the PIA for Western Mindanao, sa mga staff ng PIA Western Mindanao for having us, for having the National Commission on Muslim Filipinos Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Briefly, our major accomplishment for the National Commission on Muslim Filipinos up to the present. Masabi ko lang, I would like to start with the smooth facilitation of yung pilgrims natin who are the Muslim Filipino intending pilgrims from 2019 up to the present, especially this year, 2024. Sa 2024, of course, under the leadership, administration of our new Secretary of National Commission on Muslim Filipinos, Secretary Sheikh Sabuddin N. Abdurrahim. Our new Secretary was appointed, bago lang siya, he was appointed by the present administration. I'm referring to our President, our beloved President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. So, siya rin ang kauna-unahan na Muslim Filipinos was appointed by this present administration. Now, the marching order of our President and the Secretary of DIRG, Secretary Abalos, to our beloved Secretary of National Commission on Muslim Filipinos and his marching order also sa lahat ng mga regional offices of NCMF regional offices, that is to include our region, Zamboanga Peninsula, na ayusin yung pagandahin yung serbisyo ng itong 2024 previous Hajj, kung saan pwede natin pagmayabang lahat po yung mga intending pilgrims, yung mga shaikh natin, in collaboration with our partner agency, yun na siguro ang pinakamagandang pilgrims in the history of National Commission on Muslim Filipinos. So, napatunayan at napakita natin ng ating butihing National Secretary of the National Commission of Muslim Filipinos. I'm referring to Secretary Sheikh Sabuddin and Abdurrahim. So, tayo ay nagpapasalamat sa kanya dahil yun po ang order niya sa lahat ng mga regional offices. Isang malaking pagbabago. Walang problema sa Hajj na yon, sa accommodation, sa mga accommodation nila, sa mga sasakyan, pang-aeroplano o kaya land transportation, yung smooth, 1,000%. So maganda yung what you call it, smooth and safety yung operation nila. So wala naman nangyari, so kung meron man yung complaints, maliit lang siguro. Pero ito na to siguro in the history of National Commission of Muslim Filipinos, ito ang pinakamagandang legacy and achievement under the leadership of Secretary Sheikh Sabuddin and our President, His Excellency President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. Dahil nangyari yan sa panahon ng present administration na ito. So ibig sabihin, yan po ang national agenda, yung programa, yung mga serbisyo natin, because that is one of our greatest simple service to the Almighty God and to all humanity, especially to the Muslim Filipinos. Thank you.
Thank you po for sharing that with us. So, gaya po ng na-mention nyo po, Director, na for the past few years, ito yung pinakamaganda so far, pinakamaayos na na-conduct natin na pilgrimage sa ating mga Muslim community in the Philippines. And of course, wala po ba tayong mga nakitang mga challenges talaga, na major challenges? So isa po ba yun sa mako-consider natin na specific success story po natin na naging initiative din for the Region 9?
Yes, thank you very much. That's a very nice question. Excellent question, actually. So, hindi lang yun. Marami pa. So, I'm also a presidential appointee. So, from 2018 up to the present. So, ito yung one of our success. Very successful stories. And this is one of our greatest legacy. Perhaps to be emulated by the next generation, next applicants as far as the National Commission of Muslim Filipinos is concerned. So, remember, panahon ng previous administration, gumawa tayo ng first NCMF Zamboanga Peninsula Cultural Summit. So, also in the history of National Commission of Muslim Filipinos, nangyari yon sa panahon natin as Regional Director of National Commission for Muslim Filipinos for Region 9. So, nabuo natin the biggest, yung NCMF Zamboanga Peninsula Cultural Summit in collaboration with our foreign NGO partners, our local partners NGOs, and other national government agencies. And lahat po sila very supportive. So nagkaroon tayo, we invited foreign NGOs and local NGOs, I think 50, and then entrepreneurs, foreign and local NGOs also. And this was attended by some foreign NGOs from Malaysia, from Thailand, from Indonesia and Brunei. So napakita natin yung ating cultural heritage. And this is about our cultural summit. So maraming pinag-uusapan doon. And I believe this is one of our greatest legacy and our achievement, our accomplishment. In fact, marami. We have invited several dignified, And so sa ngayon, and another thing, yung i-share natin yung successful histories, during our time as RD, and then dito po sa administration ni Secretary Sabuddin and Abdurrahim, because he's our new secretary. So, kaliwa kanan yung memorandum of understanding natin, agreement, partnership, And we signed huge various written collaborative agreements between non-government organization and government organization. Why we are doing this? Because I believe this is the best action, support for us to support our Muslim Filipinos, the Muslim Ummah situated in Zamboanga Peninsula. So, pag sinabi mo na Muslim Ummah, Muslim Filipinos, remember yung mga Muslim Filipinos in Zamboanga Peninsula, these are also mga kapatid natin Muslim Filipinos, they are also Bangsamoro people. So, when you say Bangsamoro people, may mga Bangsamoro people who are not living inside the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region. They are also Bangsamoro Muslim Filipino people who are living outside Region 9. So, okay na sa Region 9. So, this is, pag ikaw ay Muslim Filipinos, you are Muslim Ummah. So, you are part of the moral and legal responsibilities, and that is our mandate, mandate of National Commission of Muslim Filipinos to uplift, to support the general welfare of every Muslim Filipinos in the country. So, at hindi lang yan, dagdag ko doon, dahil ito ay isang magandang successful, stories, no? You know why? We are not only helping the Muslim Filipinos. The Commission of Muslim Filipinos in Region 9, headed by me, ay tinutulungan natin yung mga kapatid natin na non-Muslim Filipinos. I can ask, I can ask, naibigay ko pa nga sa PIA, some information, pictures, activities ko. We can ask the barangay local officials, Zamboanga Peninsula, Zamboanga Sibugay, Zamboanga del Sur. We are also helping the non-Muslim Filipinos. Because ang gusto ko kasi I am the regional director of this commission for Muslim Filipinos for Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Ang gusto ko, inclusivity. So that's the language of our heart. Peace, sharing, caring, and unity. Inclusivity. So hindi kailangan yung Muslim ka o Kristiyano. Tayo ay iisa lang, and this is our homeland, and I'm referring to Zamboanga Peninsula. Okay? Thank you.
Ayun, thank you very much po ulit, Director, for sharing with us. Napakaganda po ng ating na-share na programs and activities, especially when you mentioned na dapat nga included lahat. So you're not only focusing lang sa ating Muslim Filipinos, but also in the community around them po, iba't ibang sectors. Also, that's a good legacy po that you mentioned, especially dito sa Region 9, that maybe other regions can also apply sa kanilang mga own communities. And with that po, you mentioned about na yung ating mga activities would like to contribute to promote development, success sa ating mga Muslim community. So how does the NCMF continuously sustain this promotion of our welfare and development in our Muslim communities in Region 9?
Yes, another pinakamagandang question po yan. Remember we have for National Commission of Muslim Filipinos, we have divisions. Sila po ay and these are Muslim settlement. We have our socio-economic divisions, we have our cultural affairs division. So sila po lahat yung mga divisions natin, itong mga division offices natin. So may mga partnership po tayo, may mga collaboration tayo. So may mga kanyang, remember ang NCMF may sariling mandato tayo. So we have to go down, we have to we have to collaborate with the local government units, local and foreign NGOs, national NGOs, different institutions. So remember, ang National Commission of Muslim Filipinos ay isang, masabi natin na this is coordinating agency. Like for example, now we are very thankful to PIA Western Mindanao. So napaabot natin yung mensahe natin, yung ating mga legacy with the support of our PIA. Now, ngayon, so when nag-iisa po tayo, walang imposible. So, and our relationship with our local government units for Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula, maganda. Wala akong masabi sa mga local government units. They are very supportive to the programs, activities, projects, sa lahat ng mga mandato ng National Commission of Muslim Filipinos. At hindi lang yan, so sa bagong national leadership, again, ng ating butihing National Secretary, Honorable Sheikh Sabuddin N. Abdurrahim, because he's our new Secretary and CEO for the Commission. So, ang mensahe niya ay ayusin yung pag-asikaso sa mga Muslim communities, yung mga Muslim settlement, edukasyon, sa health, no? Department of Health, in partnership with R.D. Joshua, kami, maganda yung relationship namin. Yung mga LGUs natin dito from Zamboanga City with Mayor John Dalipe, in Zamboanga del Sur with Governor Yu, Pagadia, Mayor Samico, yeah. Also in Zamboanga Norte with the leadership of the Halosos families, Governor Rosalina, marami. So, sa tingin ko, walang imposible yung ating serbisyo. And our service, isa lang. Ang masabi ko is our service to Almighty God, to Allah, and our services to all humanity. Na ngayon, hanggat maaari, yan po ang isang, we are consistent. So, ako naman, nakapag-level up kami, yung NCMF Region 9 sa Zamboanga Peninsula. Alam mo ba, kahit limitado yung pondo ko, alam ninyo, alam ng PIA, alam ng barangay officials, lahat dito sa Zamboanga Peninsula, kahit walang pondo, yung NCMF Region 9, may pondo naman, pero hindi masyado. Pero pinipilit ko pa rin na pwede kami makapag-level up with Department of Social Welfare, with other national agencies. Pero ako, nagpapasalamat din ako sa DSWD dahil maraming mga Muslim Filipinos, maraming Muslim communities in Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula, nabigyan natin ng tulong with the support of our DSWD Regional Office. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you po, Director. How about naman po yung pag-promote po natin ng Islamic culture and heritage in Region 9? Region 9 po talaga has diverse culture at iba-iba po, no? Tayo andito, marami po tayong tribe. So, paano po natin na-promote yung ating culture naman?
Yeah. Again, we have, for National Commission of Muslim Filipinos, meron tayo Cultural Affairs Division, Bureau on Muslim Cultural Affairs Division. That is headed by our Division Chief, Miss Dalhata Musa. Si Ma'am Musa kasi is the wife of Mr. Adam Musa. Yeah, the Regional Director of the OWA, Migrant, DMW. So, he's our RD, no? For Region 9. So, paano natin, we have so many projects for cultural affairs to preserve itong mga cultural heritage natin. Kaya nga sinabi ko kanina, yung isa, nagkaroon tayo ng first Zamboanga Peninsula Cultural Summit. So, palagi natin, in the future, magkaroon din tayo ng the National Commission of Muslim Filipinos is going down to the province of Tawi-Tawi. Dahil ito rin ang gusto mangyari, gawin ng ating butihing National Secretary. I think the President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, he will be coming to Tawi-Tawi with our Secretary of National Commission of Muslim Filipinos. Ngayon, ito ay isang kultura din, no? Cultural heritage. Remember, we have the first mosque in the Philippines, Muslim mosque. So all these things are situated sa probinsya ng Tawi-Tawi. So I'm called, it's about Sheikh Karimul Makdum Mosque. So marami pa tayong mga cultural na activities. But we are doing this in collaboration, of course, with our local partners, our LGUs. Pag hindi natin kaya, I am sure maraming tumutulong sa National Commission of Muslim Filipinos. And importante po yung kultura natin. Hindi pwede natin iwanan yung kultura natin dahil kasama po yun. One of the most important backbone of our institution.
History and culture.
Yeah, history. Yeah. Because these are, itong mga cultural heritage natin, cultural history, these are undeniable facts or history of the Muslim Filipino and non-Muslim Filipino in the country, in our nation, no? In our country today.
Alright, thank you po.
Yeah.
Director, how about naman po, I know this is siguro one of the most important priority also that you look into. How about po yung implementation po, no, or preservation and promotion of rights of our Muslim Filipinos?
Yeah. So, patuloy po tayo nag-monitor sa mga rights of Muslim Filipinos in Zamboanga Peninsula. Marami po tayong nagawa, marami po tayong natulungan na Muslim Filipinos, Muslim Ummah in Region 9. I'm referring dito po sa region ko, Zamboanga Peninsula. So, yung karapatan nila sa settlement, sa edukasyon, sa mga anything, you name, about Muslim Filipinos. So, lahat po yan, iniasikaso natin. So, it's very important. Kaya nga, nandito tayo, ang National Commission, because that is part of our official mandate, to promote the general welfare, to uplift them from the bondage of poverty, bigyan sila ng scholarship program, marami pang iba. So, yun po ang ating serbisyo. I think one of our key accomplishment, simple initiatives and very simple, short, but very successful history of our legacy as Regional Director for the National Commission of Muslim Filipinos in Region 9. Thank you.
Thank you. Na-mention niyo po kanina that you would like to include all sectors, no? Does NCMF po engage also with various sectors, including in education, health, economic, to address po yung needs ng ating Muslim community? And so far po, what are the major need talaga po ng ating Muslim community so far in Region 9?
Actually, sa ngayon, meron tayong scholarship program for education. I think this is also for livelihood. So we are very thankful to TESDA. Again, tayo po ay nag-coordinate sa TESDA, Region 9, and nag-coordinate din tayo sa... I am also, would like to grab this opportunity also. I am very thankful to MBHTE because this is support from the Bangsamoro government. So nagkaroon tayo ng memorandum, collaborative agreement with the Ministry of Basic Higher Education by ito, and with National Commission of Muslim Filipinos. But remember, tayo lang na Commission of Muslim Filipinos na binigyan. So this is first time in history, nagkaroon tayo ng MOU, signing of written agreement, partnership, collaborative agreement between the MBHT, TESDA, BARM, and also the National Commission of Muslim Filipino Region 9. So anong ginawa natin para tulungan yung suportahan yung Muslim Filipinos? So sila ngayon, ongoing kanilang mga training, yung mga regional language training, mga skills, about TESDA, may mga livelihood. Hindi lang yan, may mga national, may mga livelihood assistance din manggagaling sa national level, sa ating national, from our central office. I'm referring the NCMF Central Office in Manila. So hindi lang yan, meron din tayo, may mga support, assistance, from foreign and local NGOs to support our Muslim Filipinos. So this includes yun na nga, yung scholarship program, livelihood skills, no? Tsaka may mga isang projects na ginawa natin, yung mga Muslim Warrior Centers. These are Muslim settlement projects, no? Marami. So, lahat ito ay for the benefit of Muslim Filipinos in Region 9 sa Zamboanga Peninsula.
So, gaya po ng mga na-mention ninyo, you mentioned a lot of projects, no, that promote cultural heritage and also, of course, to uplift nga yung ating Muslim Filipino community in Region 9 with the different programs for different sectors. That includes education, social welfare development. So, included na po yan lahat, including health. So, what are the programs po or priority programs natin for the upcoming naman? I know it's almost the end of the year, no? 2024. So, are we going to sustain or elevate pa po yung ating mga programs like you mentioned, yung mga cultural programs po natin in the coming years po?
We have projects, future projects, programs, activities for cultural affairs, and we have also projects for Muslim settlement, and we have also projects for socioeconomic, and this is about livelihood, economic programs, development programs for the benefit of Muslim Filipinos in Region 9. And we are dealing with halal projects, yung mga review center natin for Sharia, bar exam. We are preparing also for the upcoming 2025 na pilgrims. Kasi tapos na tayo sa 2024. So, paano natin pagandahin yung ating, again, may improve. Maganda na yung una, pero this time, we are looking forward na mas maganda ang result ng ating yung smooth facilitation ng safety ng 2025 Hajj pilgrims natin. So, ako mismo as your regional director, so marami po tayong programa, pinipilit natin na magkaroon po tayong magandang serbisyo sa Muslim Filipinos. Hindi ko masabi, basta marami po tayong gagawin. This includes again about Muslim settlement. This includes again about Muslim cultural affairs, socio-economic development, the Bureau pilgrimage. May mga impact we expect. May mga I would like to grab also bago ko baka makalimutan ko to. Meron tayo upcoming na distribution. I think this is about 1 million copies, no? Distribution of the Holy Quran. So, ako naman nagpapasalamat din ako ulit sa foreign partners natin because these are foreign NGOs. Sila po ang nagbigay sa atin at sumulat ako sa kanila para bigyan yung mga suportahan, yung mga madrasa, yung mga mosque, yung mga Muslim communities because we need also the, this is also very important what you call the distribution of the Holy Quran. And hindi lang yan, 1 million copies books, Quran. So, bibigyan natin to, bibigyan natin sa mga bahay-bahay, sa mga madrasa and mosque. So, lahat ito, hindi lang yan, meron tayong mga wakaf. This is charity. So, he was mentioning to me about scholarship program. They have support, may mga tulong sila sa mga orphanage, sa mga widows, these are poor Muslim communities. Remember, may mga Muslim youth tayo, but they are very intelligent, deserving, pero hindi sila nakatapos ng kolehiyo.
Yes.
Because, they, kasi yung magulang nila mahihirap lang. So they came from a very poor family. So the National Commission of Muslim Filipinos, kasama ito sa mandato namin to save the future of this, itong mga deserving, young, brilliant Muslim Filipinos. So, kailangan matapos nila yung pag-aaral nila, yung baccalaureate degree, yung master's degree nila. So, we are dealing this in collaboration also. So, I know yung ating buting National Secretary, again, his name is Secretary Sheikh Sabuddin Anwar Abdurrahim. Yun po ang kanyang pangarap, yun po ang lagi niya sinisabi, kaya nag-iikot siya. He's going to Malaysia, Brunei, and he's asking help also from these foreign, Muslim countries to support the welfare, itong mga status, yung condition ng mga Muslim Filipinos in Zamboanga Peninsula.
Yes,
I mean, throughout the Philippines, not only Region 9 Zamboanga Peninsula,
but all over the Philippines.
But yes, our National Secretary he's from Region 9 Zamboanga Peninsula. We have the first time CEO and Secretary of National Commission of Muslim Filipinos who is a native of Tawi-Tawi. Kanyang tribo, sama yan eh. So we are very proud. So first time po in the history of National Commission of Muslim Filipinos, nangyari ito sa panahon ng administration ni President Bongbong Marcos. We have a new secretary who is a native son of Tawi-Tawi. Thank you very much.
Yun, thank you po. Of course, we'd like to acknowledge po no na even outside the Philippines, outside the country po, Muslim Filipinos bring pride din no sa ating bansa. So that's why we continuously support them through their education, also sa ating job opportunities for them and skills training for them. With that po, siguro we have few message na lang po sa ating Muslim community. What your office po, what is the NCMF po is doing for them, and ano po yung mga aabangan nilang mga projects and programs for the Muslim community in Region 9.
Yes, thank you very much. Again, thank you very much for having, we would like to extend our huge appreciation. Aming papasalamat sa PIA Western Mindanao for having the National Commission of Muslim Filipinos Region 9 sa mga peninsula. Sana tuloy-tuloy pa itong programa natin. Dahil malaking tulong po ito. Dahil nagawa natin to in partnership with your agency. So kami sa pangunahin ng under the leadership of our new secretary, Sheikh Sabuddin N. Abdurrahim, ako po, inyong kapatid, kaibigan, tuloy po kami. Aming serbisyo, walang anytime po yan. So, kami, masabi natin yung ating secretary, tayo ay workaholic eh. Di ba? Oo, hindi tayo sanay. Hindi tayo sanay na nakaupo lang palagi sa opisina. So, yan, may mga ebidensya po tayo na marami tayong ginawa. Again, itong Commission of Muslim Filipinos, hindi lang po Muslim Ummah or Muslim communities tinutulungan natin to include our non-Muslim brothers and sisters. So, yun ang gusto natin. Yun ang, because that is the language of our heart. Magkaisa po tayo, we have to promote strong bond of unity, friendship, and collaboration. So, I am sure together, nagkakaisa po tayo, we can make things happen. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much po for this opportunity. Once again, we have the Regional Director po of National Commission on Muslim Filipinos in Region 9, Dr. Zulfiqar Abantas. Nawa po marami tayong nakuhang mga mahalagang impormasyon, especially on the programs and services that they are giving to all our Muslim Filipino community in Region 9. And marami pa po tayong mga abangan na programa din po na activities nila that we look forward din para sa mga darating pa na buwan at taon. And with that po, maraming salamat muli sa ating panauhin. Thank you of course sa ating lahat po ng mga viewers. Magkita-kita pa po tayo sa mga susunod nating mga episode kung saan po pag-uusapan naman natin yung mga iba't ibang mga mahalagang impormasyon na pwede nating maibahagi sa ating publiko. And with that, of course, thank you din sa ating following sponsors. We have Blanca Kalintika Estetica Zamboanga, Karimadon, Camiseta, Penguin, and Dunkin, all available here at SM City Minpro. Ito si Myra Espinosa. See you po sa ating next kapihan. Muchísimas gracias.
Philippine Information Agency, Kapihan na Zamboanga. Sharing with you timely, accurate, and relevant information regarding government programs, projects, and activities. Catch us every Thursday at 4 p.m. on eMedia.